The WAGNER Cobra combines the advantages of piston and diaphragm pumps in a unique way. The high-pressure double diaphragm pump ensures perfectly uniform and powerful material supply. No pulsation occurs over the entire delivery range of 40 to 250 bar. The two variants of the Cobra can deliver 0.1 to 5 liters of material per minute and thus operate up to 8 guns. Their strength is evident when surfaces are to be coated to meet a particularly high standard, or when only small quantities of material are to be processed and solvent consumption is to be kept low. The technical ingenuity of the Cobra is the combination of very small double-stroke volume and high running speed. A hydraulic system transmits the pressure to two diaphragms. There are no packings or seals that generate friction or heat. Thus, despite its high flow rate, compared to a piston pump of the same power, the Cobra manages with around 1/7 of the double-stroke volume. The pump is hermetically sealed so that UV materials and reactive hardeners can also be processed without any problems. The product is not exposed to friction or heat. This makes the Cobra ideal for sensitive or abrasive substances such as primer containing zinc dust or white lacquers. Thanks to the low volume, the flushing process is simple and quick, which in turn has positive effects on environmental protection and costs. Less than half the amount of flushing agent is needed for cleaning compared to a piston pump. A quick material or color change is therefore no problem with the Cobra. The special double diaphragm technology and the small displacement cause only a very small and fast pulsation, which is lost in the noise. The result is an absolutely uniform material flow, which always allows even, uniform application and thus excellent surface quality. Easy handling is ensured by the integrated relief valve for material circulation during filling and flushing. The WAGNER icebreaker air motor has automatic ventilation and a soft start function. The speed of the pump can be precisely adjusted during flushing and filling with the main valve, without having to constantly readjust the working pressure on the controller. This allows the set working pressure to remain unchanged at the same value. If one of the inlet valves does get stuck, it can simply be pushed open by the valve depressor. A wide range of suction systems, suction hoses, and hoppers are available for the material supply. A 2-liter hopper enables optimal processing of small material quantities. It is quickly and securely fixed in place with a flick of the wrist. Several such hoppers allow smooth operation with different paints and flushing agents. The Cobra may also be mounted overhead, which allows special installations, or shortens the suction path with rigid suction tubes. This further reduces flushing agent and paint losses. The pump can be individually configured with all accessories and is thus perfectly constructed for the respective application. The Cobra 4010 allows frequent paint changes when using several materials. It is the ideal solution for carpentry and joinery businesses, as well as in the furniture, wood, and metal industries. The Cobra 4025 is designed for gentle processing of almost all coating products and to supply up to 8 guns. This makes it the ideal pump for industrial series coating with automatic coating systems in the wood and metal industries.